Okay. Oh my god. So it's a Sunday night. Your only night off.
Yes.
6:48 at night. We're showered and we're in bed.
Yes.
Why?
Because we're old. I can't stay awake past 8 o'clock anymore. I'm 42 years old and the body doesn't work like it once did. My hips are squeaking and my head's a rocking and I need to lay down because I'm old. I'm trapped inside of my mind and my mind is old. There's cobwebs everywhere.
So cold. I
I'm
am
so
so
old
cold.
and cold.
I'm so cold. We couldn't fix it.
And my bread is full of mold. Couldn't take it to a barbecue.
Oh my god. Okay, I was gonna go like we don't have bread and we don't have moldy bread, but
I
I
don't know.
remember
It's
that.
not moldy bread.
I remember that.
I
He
think
said he
that's-
got it from his freezer. He got moldy bread from his freezer. He got moldy bread from his freezer and he brought it to a barbecue.
I brought it to the barbecue because I thought the kids would like it. They would think it was a popsicle. And they laughed at me because I'm old. Don't make fun of your elders.
I want you to do a hello, how you doing?
Hello, how y'all doing?
Who's that?
It's Dr.
Dr.
Now.
Not Dr.
Dr. Now.
Dr. Now.
Hello, how y'all doing?
That was creepy.
The doctor now visited you
in the shower. You walk into the shower.
Hello, how y'all
Yeah,
doing?
eyes are closed and you go, hello, how you all doing?
You open your eyes, you see
That was
Dr.
like,
Now
what the
looking at you.
Oh my god, that's
He's
funny.
looking at you with his
I
white
love
coat.
Dr. Now, but I don't want him in my shower now.
Because he's old.
Okay, I gotta stop this. I'm about to.
And the old road, the old road.
Stop.
Everybody walking on the old
Are you gonna
road.
stop? Are you gonna stop?
Lived all my life on the old road.
You're
Yeah.
not gonna stop. Okay, I would like to watch news. Can I watch the news?
Yes. You can watch the news. I'm
Thank you.
tired.
You're going to sleep. I'm tired and I'm not old. I'm exhausted.
I'm so old. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to 43.
Get out of
You're
your
gonna
brain.
have to get me another walking stick.
Stop.
I'd use one for each hand. I have to retire.
You stop. You are
Oh,
trapped inside
I'm
your
trapped
brain.
inside my mind. They wouldn't even hire me as Santa Claus. I don't know why.
Okay,
I'm so good with the kids.
stop.
They laugh at me because I'm old.